So good day everyone, my name is Irami Polina from BSF3A. So today I will discuss my topic, which is the list of ecosystem service modeling tools. So first, INVEST is abbreviation, integrated valuation of ecosystems, services, and trade-offs is model name. And the developer is Natural Capital Project, and tools description, spatial mapping, and modeling of multiple ecosystem service. The 17 models of ecosystem services range from wave energy and offshore wind energy to recreation, value, and scenic quality. The models provide spatially explicit result in either biophysical or economic terms. So next is ARIS. The model name is Artificial Intelligence for Ecosystem Services. Then BC3. Then the tool description is link, multi-scale, variability, spatial, temporal, and structural, and spatially explicit eco-services directly to beneficiaries. Model maps services as a flow from ecosystem to service to those that receive the benefit in an attempt to reduce double counting. These tools also use a probabilistic Bayesian approach to or adjust for data uncertainty and scarcity. Next is MIMIS, multi-scale integrated models of ecosystem services. Then the developer is Affordable Future. Then the tool description is open source modeling platform which attempts to model the cost effect relationships or link between ecosystems and the economy. MIMIS allows for an individual to map decision or policies and illustrate how those choices will ripple through the economy and ecosystems. Next is Ecometrics. Also, the model name is Ecometrics. Then Ecometrics, Solutions Group, and Parametrics. The tool description is field-based tools designed for use at relatively fine spatial scales. Primary use is to illustrate the effect of human activities on natural capital or ecosystem services. This software could aid in deciding how to sustain ecosystem services over the long run through human action. So next is NAIS. The model name is Natural Assets Information System. Then Spatial Information Group. The tool description is NAIS is an integrated database on valuation, literature, and reporting engine. The database is integrated with proprietary spatial modeling tools to characterize ecosystem and flow of services on the landscape. This is EVT, or Ecosystem Valuation Toolkit. The developer is Earth and Economics. EVT provides monetary values for natural assets under multiple modules, researchers library, researchable database of ecosystem service values, servers, a way-based tool for calculating ecosystem service values and performing natural capital appraisal, resources, general materials on ecosystem, services, and valuation as well as links to further resources around the web. Next is SOLVE. The model name is Social Values for Ecosystem Services. Then USGS. The tool description is spatial mapping and modeling of cultural ecosystem services, a GIS application that estimates the social values of ecosystem services such as recreation, culture, and scenic quality. Next is ESR for IE. The model name is Ecosystem Services Review for Impact Assessment. Then World Resources Institute. The tool description is the model provides a 6 steps methods to address project impacts and dependencies on ecosystem services as a part of the environmental and social impact assessment process. First, it identifies measures to mitigate project impact on the benefits provided by ecosystem. Second, it identifies measures to manage operational dependencies on ecosystem. Next is MESP. The model name is Marine Ecosystem Services Partnership. Then the developer is Duke. Then the tools description is database of publication that report economic outputs of ecosystem services, provides an interactive map or true filter to show publications by region. The tool especially targets oceanic and coastal or marine ecosystem services and provide databases specified by region or ecosystem. Next is TESA. The model name also TESA. Then BirdLife Intimational. The tool description is a site-specific look at ecosystem services. The tool allows for an alternate state which can be directly compared to with the current state of an ecosystem services are benefiting society. Next is Coasting Nature. The model name is Coasting Nature. King's College, London and Abutic. The tool description is spatial mapping and modeling of multiple ecosystem services using global coarse resolution datasets. Understand ecosystem services as an opportunity cost or avoided cost of producing those services from a non-natural capital substitute. This tool emphasizes the importance of conservation measures. Next is INSAME. The model name is Environmental System Modeling Platform. Then, State of Victoria, Australia. The tool description is INSAME is an environmental system modeling platform and framework for scientists and researchers to test and apply empirical and process-based scientific models. INSAME provides using with an evidence-based framework to support decision makers on how and where to invest to minimize environmental outcomes.